So today I want to share some really cool accessories for the 3rd gen Echo Dot speaker. Now these accessories are designed for the Echo Dot, giving you an overall better experience. So welcome back to the channel, I'm Chigs and I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I have two amazing accessories to share with you guys. The first one is the D3 battery base by GGMM, and the other accessory is the P5 wall mount stand by ProudBird. Now both of these products are available in either black or white and are compatible only with the Echo Dot 3rd gen speaker, and that includes the white version with the clock display, which I have on the desk in front of me. So first of all, quick look at the new Echo Dot 3 with clock display. It's exactly the same specs, features and size of the regular Echo Dot 3, but this one has an LED clock display, which is very convenient, especially if you plan on keeping this next to your bed. So this version of the Echo Dot 3 is white in color with a fabric mesh going all the way around. It's much chunkier than the previous Echo Dot speakers. I'm actually upgrading straight from an Echo Dot 1. I already know that the new Echo Dot 3 is much louder with better quality speakers and also better microphones. So first of all, let's check out the D3 battery base by GGMM. So this battery base has a built-in 5200 mAh battery, giving you around 8 to 12 hours of standby time and 3 hours of non-stop music. The battery base means your Echo Dot speaker is now completely wireless, completely wire-free, and is basically a wireless smart Bluetooth speaker. You can now use your Echo Dot anywhere in your home. Just pick it up, take it anywhere you like into any room, and it's going to stay connected to your internet and the speaker will always be on. So you can use it anywhere in your home without worrying about plugging it in, and if you're low on power, just plug the charger into the base and the built-in battery will charge and also continue to power the Echo Dot speaker at the same time. Now I really like how seamless it looks with matching color and design. It actually feels like one product in my hand as opposed to two joined together, and at the front you do have a battery indicator showing how much charge you have left in the base. So finally, a completely portable Echo Dot speaker. Now I always wanted Amazon to create the Echo Dot with a built-in battery, but it never happened. Well, this is one way to do it, and it's a very affordable solution. So that was the GGMM D3 battery base, priced under 30. It's a great upgrade for the Echo Dot 3, and I personally really like this one. So do check out the links in the description box below. So next up we have the P5 wall mount stand, and it's made by a company called ProudBird. So basically you drop your Echo Dot into the center and it clips on nice and secure. You then get your power supply, plug it into the power port, turn the unit around and wrap the cord neatly around the circle until there is no wire left dangling. And then you're going to be sliding the power supply through the top of the unit so you don't get to see any of the cable mess. And now you can just go ahead and plug this directly into the wall, so no more worries about pets knocking your speaker off the table or long messy cables in the way. This is a very nice tidy setup, allowing you to enjoy your Echo Dot 3 whilst it's completely secure and out the way. So a great space saving idea. Alexa, play my music.
Shuffling your music.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Every night when you leave.
Now in case you're wondering how the black accessories would actually look with the white Echo Dot speaker, and considering I have them in front of me, this is what they would look like. So the G3 battery case, black version with the white Echo Dot 3, and I have to say it actually looks better than I expected it to, so not bad. And I will also test out the black wall mount just to show you what to expect. So there you have it, something different just for you guys, some affordable accessories especially designed for the Echo Dot 3rd generation. Now it's compatible only with this 3rd gen model. You cannot use these accessories with 1st gen or 2nd gen, and it is compatible with both the black version of the 3rd gen and the new white version with clock that I've shown you in this video. Now I absolutely love both accessories, but if I had to choose a favorite, it has to be the D3 portable battery case It's an absolutely game-changing experience, and I love everything about it. And with that being said, let me know in the comments which one you prefer from the two. Meanwhile, everything shown in this video will be linked in the description box for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. See you in the next one, guys.